Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how you can create a AWS account, how you can create a free tier AWS account. Okay, I'm just talking about the free tier. Okay, free tier account. What are their needs? What your requirements? And the first and very first questions: why we need to create a free tier account? If you want to learn few things, okay, learn some services. Okay, if you just a beginner and try to learn few cloud computing, cloud computing. So AWS offers to learn learn their services. Okay, you can easily create your AWS account for 12 months. You just AWS just need to just charge only 2 rupees. Why they charge? For the payment verification. Okay, for the payment verification only. If you talk about the used cases, then the used case is the Netflix, NASA, and every startups that they are going to use the AWS. They are using AWS services. Okay, the main best part in AWS that pay as you go model. That means you only pay for your services. Okay, but before that, a valid email address, because this email address you're going to use your login for logging. Okay, a strong password. You always need to make a strong password. Okay, some uppercase, some lowercase, and with the alphabets. Okay, let's an example. Rakesh, a man who are going to create a AWS account, free tier AWS account. Okay, so what the password you need to put here? How you can make it strong? Capital R. Okay, then all the things are small and do some random year, random number, and the one special character. That's your strong password. I'm just giving an example. Okay. Then you have some debit card, credit card for the payment verification. You just need to pay it as 2 rupees. And mobile phone, and for mobile, why we need to mobile phone? For the SMS verification. Okay. The last one, if you have some basic concept of cloud computing, then it's a better, it's a good. If you know, if you don't have any idea about the cloud computing, it also good, because you are going to create a free tier AWS account and you want to learn something. Okay, you want to learn something, that's why you are going to create a free tier account for 12 months. In 12 months you can easily deploy the EC2. Okay, deploy the EC2, EBS, S3, Lambda, everything, and you can deploy and just det um, determination. Determination is the word which we are going to use in the EC2 part. Okay, you can create a snapshot of the EBS. Okay, so let's get started. How we can create a AWS account, free tier AWS account. Okay, let's jump to the AWS page. How we can create and what are the benefits we are going to take it from AWS in free tier. Okay, so for new customer, you will get 200 credits, up to 200 credits. But how you can reach out to 200 credits? Because initially you will definitely you can get some 100 USD dollars for the new customers. But how you can get another 100 USD? So for this you need to learn, you need to explore your knowledge. After that you can next 100 USD dollars from the AWS. So as I mentioned that up to 100 USD dollar more than, sorry, more to earn, you explore your key AWS services. Okay, so this is a test drive. No, AWS service plan is with the free plan up to 6 months you would not charged unless you choose the paid plan. That means you will not any charged for 6 months or after 6 months until or unless you choose the paid plan, which allows you to scale up your operations, scale up your knowledge, scale up your development, development features, okay, to gain over the 150 AWS services. There's a lot of services on AWS, but we are going to avail a few services, selected services that are coming in free tier, not all the services. Okay, so receipt up to what are the features? Receipt up to 200 USD dollars in your credit, include free uses of selected services, not for the all the services you are going to avail, you are going to use for the selected services. Okay, no charge incurred unless you switch to the paid plan. Okay, when you are going to paid plan, then AWS will charge after 6 months, not 6 months, but they will charge if you're going to the paid plan. Workloads is cool. What we are not going to receive in this free tier, workload scale beyond the credit store is threshold, access to all AWS services and a feature, because we need to pay for, we need to pay different amount for the different services in AWS. Even if you're talking about the simple word EC2 or the EBS, there's a lot of EBS types in AWS. If you're going to deploy the GP3 or a GP2 or a IO1 or IO2, so all volumes have a different features, different services, so the AWS will cost the different price. Okay, let's jump to the another page, the how you can create step by step. I'm trying to here explore each and everything. Okay, what are the prerequisites? I already told you, you need a valid email address, a credit card, and debit card. Okay, so new AWS customer, anyone who signs up new AWS account for the first time, limited time, the free tier is available for 6 months after sign up and varies by the services. They clearly mention that they are varies by the services. Some services have ongoing free tier beyond the first year. Usage limit, each services within the free tier has usage limit. As long as usage stays, these limits would not incur any changes. Okay, there's some graphical, some educational, some graphical changes. ठीक है? Okay, so to create an AWS free tier account, first you need to visit the AWS free tier sign up page. I will provide in a um, description. Create and then click on create an AWS account. Enter your valid email address. Enter your verify your email address and click on email address after that. After, you need to set your password, and password should be a strong. That means you need to put some small letter, one caps letter, one symbol, and one digit. So it is, for the strong, you go for the more than 15 words. Okay. Once you set the password, click on continue and proceed the page. You this page will appear on your screen after that. Select the account type. Account type, that means which purpose you are going to use this account. Personal purpose, learning purpose, small business purpose, okay, enterprise level purpose. Okay, there's a different purposes to use your AWS account. So for learning, since you are creating the account for your own use, select the personal. Okay, you need to select the personal for your own or for your own projects. Enter your personal information and everything. Okay, so here you need to put your full name, phone number. If you are in India, then do the India code. Put the India code +91 and provide your phone number, country in which you reside, address, and everything. Got it? The next, billing information. Here you need to put your billing information like a debit or credit card. Provide your debit or credit card number, CVV number, card, card holder numbers, and expiry date. And definitely you need to choose the PAN. Do you have PAN number or not? You can select either yes or no. Okay, verify your identity. When you put your number, then definitely you get a call or voice call or text message. Then you provide here and go for your AWS account. Select the plan, what plans you are going to use. So you are, if you are creating for the learning purpose, definitely you are creating for the learning purpose for free tier. Then choose the basic support plan. Okay, basic support plan, because you don't want to pay any charges on that. Then confirm your account, then you successfully created your account, and you got this page as congratulations, you have successfully created your AWS account. Okay, let's explore few more things. What are the features products here? EC2, S3, transform Amazon queue. Okay, there's a Lambda functions. You can you can create your lab environment. So in coming lecture, we are going to discuss about the EC2, how we can create EC2, what are the use of AMI, everything. Okay, so please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.